Hi everyone, and welcome back. I hope this is the quickest video you will watch thus far. I have had a few questions about the Weight Watchers app, and I have the app right on my phone. I am not a big tech person. I don't like being on my phone a lot. I have 0 notifications that come up. And one thing that I do have on my phone though is the Weight Watchers app. When do I do the Weight Watchers app for like jump starting my day is first thing in the morning. So I get up early. I like to be the first one up out of bed. I happen to be a morning person anyways, but what I will do is, here's a new day. Okay, here's a new day. So I'm at 23 points. Not everyone's at 23 points. I'm on the blue plan. But what I will do is, what I know I have for breakfast, and this is all in my head now because I've just been doing this for so long. You'll get there if you're not there yet. But if you don't know, you'll just have to spend more time looking some stuff up. It's no big deal. And I know I've talked about this in another video, but I've actually, hold on a second. When I first started, I had this lovely notebook, and I would write my main meals. I don't even know if you can see that, but and how much the points were. And then, oh my gosh, it's so funny. I wrote down what I would eat in a day, and then I would constantly go back to that. So if I had a good week, and then I noticed that like 3 weeks later, things were not going well. What did I do 3 weeks ago? Okay, let me just check. So I have a lot of that in here, and it's quite nice to go back to. So you can eat anything on Weight Watchers. It's great. You can work out, and you don't have to work out. That's your choice. So anyway, the Weight Watchers app is at the end of my morning routine before I go to work, before I leave for work. I have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Oh gosh, I just messed that up. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, all filled in. Okay. Anyways, so at this point right now, I'm recording this May 2021. I have not lost weight since, I've actually gained weight since November of 2020. Not much, probably 8 pounds, but I just wanted to, I mean, it's real. The struggle is real. So it's just, you gotta have a good mindset. And right now it's not happening. But anyways, another thing is drinking water. My morning, I've drank at least half of this, and my points are done for the day, for the most part. And honestly, sometimes I don't even put in my dinner. And if I splurge, or at work I have, like, let's just say a brownie, and I'm like, oh no, I don't have many points left. I don't mind having an omelet with a bunch of spinach in it for dinner. It's 0 points. Fine. But anyway, so I thought I would share that with you, and let me know where you're at in your journey. I'm currently not losing weight, but I'm not gaining weight either. And I'm not tracking every day right now because I'm human. So share your thoughts, and I can't wait to respond to you. Thanks for watching. Take care.